Baconos. Hopefully, there will be snow when we get there. We're gonna do snowboarding, snow tubing, and bonding time with family. Look at that. Ganda-ganda naman ng panahon. How many degrees inside the car?